Technology is evolving so quickly that innovation is unrestricted. This video examines the cutting edge of engineering and design, from wind-powered kites producing electricity to self-balancing motorcycles. Explore innovative ideas, wearables of the future, and solutions that not only spark the imagination, but also allude to the revolutionary possibilities of technology in our daily lives. Take a tour through the incredible innovations that are influencing the future. Number 15. Matador's Compact Stuff Sack. Matador, an American company, introduces a compact stuff sack that can be attached to your keychain. Priced at $17, this small but practical solution is designed for individuals who frequently visit pools or beaches. The waterproof sack can store items like smartphones and wallets, keeping them dry during water-related activities. With a capacity of 2.5 liters and weighing just 23 grams, it provides a lightweight and portable storage solution. Number 14. Miller Safe Escape. Miller Safe Escape is a compact and practical device designed for safely descending from significant heights. Ideal for high-rise installers, this device can handle up to 250 kilograms and includes a 50-meter rope. Operating at a speed of 1 meter per second, it proves invaluable in emergency situations. With a broad temperature range from 50 to -50 degrees Celsius. Number 13. Yamaha's Motoroid 2. A Yamaha with the Motoroid 2, engineers have pushed the limits of what is possible in terms of motorbike technology. This self-balancing motorcycle is able to move independently from the rest of the bike because it incorporates algorithms for artificial intelligence and facial recognition technology. Yamaha believes that it is even capable of recognizing gestures, which would allow for the possibility of riderless operation. The one-of-a-kind design and characteristics of the motorcycle make it possible to usher in a new era of technological advancements for motorcycles. Number 12. The Manani. The Manani is a generator kite that is designed to produce energy. Google was the initial purchaser of this cutting-edge project, which had been developed over the course of 7 years and shown the capacity to generate approximately 600 kW. A height of between 300 and 400 meters is reached by the kite, which then begins to move in circles in order to generate power through its rotors. Despite the fact that Google has stopped providing funds, Manani demonstrates the possibility of wind energy harvesting through the use of unorthodox ways. Number 11. Hoversurf. At the moment, the Russian business Hoversurf is hard at work developing a flying car of the future. Particularly noteworthy is the fact that it employs engines that are based on the Venturi effect, which in comparison to conventional propeller-based engines, makes them safer, more compact, and quieter. The air cab is meant to be able to fit into conventional parking areas, and it has a speed of 250 kilometers per hour. The idea proposes a flying ambulance that has a battery charge that allows for around half an hour of flight duration with each charged battery. Number 10. Screen Dress. An amazing dress containing components that were manufactured using 3D printing technology, the Nuke Y-Rec was designed by a Dutch innovator. Why is it so intriguing? Because of its adaptability and the fact that it may be controlled by the thoughts of the person who is wearing it. With the help of an electroencephalogram. Number 9. Lexus Hoverboard. Companies such as Lexus have conducted experiments with the idea of hoverboards, despite the fact that the concept may sound like something out of science fiction. When it was first introduced, the Lexus hoverboard utilized a one-of-a-kind skate park that had metal plates beneath the surface. The use of magnetic technology in conjunction with superconductors made it possible to achieve levitation. In spite of the fact that it is not a viable means of transportation, it is significant because it provides a window into the current efforts to develop hoverboards in the real world. Number 8. Autoliv e-scooter airbag. Known for being the first company to introduce two-point seatbelts in 1953, Autoliv is currently investigating new ways to improve road safety. They propose the installation of airbags that are specifically built for skateboarders, scooter riders, and other vulnerable road users. One of the airbags is fastened to the vehicle, while the other is fastened to the automobile that is located close to the area of the windshield. In spite of the fact that information regarding mass production are not yet available, this dual airbag system is designed to offer the highest possible level of protection, even in head-on accidents. Number 7. Amaze. Louis Hang, an inventor from Hong Kong, has created a monitor that is able to illuminate itself using just natural light. A light collector and reflector are included on the back of the 24-inch monitor, which gives the impression of being a conventional monitor from the front. It is not appropriate for use in gloomy conditions. However, during the day, it reduces the amount of power that is consumed to just 4 watts. This novel strategy improves energy efficiency while simultaneously reducing the amount of strain placed on the eyes. Number 6. Fluid reality. Virtual and augmented reality are taken to a whole new level with the XR Gloves prototype developed by Fluid Reality. The most notable characteristic is the incorporation of tactile pixels on the fingertips, which generate a feeling of pressure for the individual who is wearing the device. These gloves, which are based on hydraulic pumps, have a resolution of 20 pixels per square centimeter and are designed to provide a more immersive experience. It is anticipated by the creators that the product will be affordable, implying that the possible market price will be much cheaper than alternatives. Number 5. Microsoft Project Silica. One of the most innovative technologies now available is Microsoft's Project Silica, which stores data on quartz glass wafers. A small quartz plate measuring 75 millimeters by 75 millimeters by 2 millimeters can store up to 75.6 gigabytes of data. In order to make the data storage resistant to scratches, magnetic fields, and even boiling, the system makes use of algorithms that are based on artificial intelligence to form tiny 3-dimensional patterns with lasers. This is something that Microsoft is considering implementing in cloud servers for the purpose of long-term data storage. Number 4. Motorola Adaptive Display Concept. There is a prototype of a flexible smartphone that can be wrapped around the wrist that is being displayed by Motorola. The smartphone has a diagonal screen that measures 6.9 inches when it is in its standard form, but when it is bent, it can drop to 4.6 inches. The idea paves the way for the possibility of a combination of a smartphone and a smartwatch, which would provide flexibility and variety. Although there is still a lack of clarity regarding mass production, Motorola has already exhibited a concept. Number 3. SR2. An enormous walking robot that is roughly the size of a vehicle has been developed by experts from Japan. The SR2 is a giant that is 3.4 meters in length and is developed for amusement rides. It has the capacity to carry 4 passengers. Despite the fact that it moves at a modest pace, the fact that it can squat, turn around, and entertain the audience remotely paves the way for its possible application in amusement parks. There is ongoing development in the incorporation of robotics for the goal of providing entertainment. Number 2. Portable fire extinguisher. In the United States, students at George Mason University have invented a fire extinguisher that uses sound as its primary function. The tiny extinguisher is able to successfully put out a fire that is caused by burning alcohol by using sound frequencies that range from 30 to 60 Hz. A new and potentially cost-effective method of firefighting is provided by the project, which is placed on drones. A budget of $600 would be sufficient to purchase these sound-based fire extinguishers, which have the potential to add an additional layer of safety in a variety of scenarios. Number 1. Tid Ross Todd. The business Tid Ross Todd, which is based in New Zealand, provides trailers that are built to hold huge loads and are extensible. When it comes to transporting enormous freight, these trailers offer a versatile solution because they can extend to a length of up to 23 meters and have a weight capability of up to 58 tons. These trailers, which are fitted with a torsional box system and double axle steering, provide enhanced strength and flexibility to meet a wide range of transport requirements. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.